Okay, let's make a start. What is your favorite color and why?
Sir, my favorite color is black because black is always. Sorry, sir.
Black is a dashing color.
Dash.
Come on, just
Always
speak.
fit in the multicolors. Yes, some other colors
Okay,
like black and white.
all right. What is your favorite day of the week?
Sir, of course, Sunday
Why?
because Sunday is a free day to any work or job. So this is
Okay, what do you usually eat on weekend?
not special.
Come on, nothing special, but on weekend I prefer to eat
I prefer to eat which is available
whatever is available.
in the home.
Are you married?
Yes, sir.
Ah, I understand that. Don't tell me, okay? Yeah, that's the problem of married people. Okay, let's go on. Do you like any restaurant or do you have any favorite restaurant?
Yes, sir. McDonald have my favorite restaurant.
McDonald's is my favorite restaurant.
McDonald is my favorite restaurant.
Okay, no problem. That's all right. For first day, it's
Sir,
okay.
it is my very first day,
Don't worry, you'll be
and
all right.
I
You'll be-
can't speak in English.
I understand. You'll be okay. Through practice, you'll be okay. Next one, please. All
Yes.
right, let's start. Do you watch television?
Yeah, I like to watch television because when you want to entertain or want to learn something, televisions can be helpful for this purpose. You can watch cartoons, movies, news,
Okay.
each and
What
everything.
type of TV programs do you like to watch?
Usually, I like to watch the news programs because I'm a media student, and this can be helpful for my knowledge.
Okay. Do you prefer to watch TV in the morning or evening?
Um, to be very honest, I like to prefer to watch TV in evening because you have spare time in evening.
I have, not I. Yeah.
I have a spare time in evening, and there is no noise around us.
Okay, that's good, but you need to practice. And the word is not and, d, not t. Okay. All right, let's make a start. Who was your favorite teacher at school?
At school level, one of my favorite teacher is Sir Zishan
Was.
sir. Was Sir Zishan sir. He is the biology teacher.
He was the biology
He was
teacher.
the biology teacher. Is my favorite teacher.
He was my favorite
He was
teacher.
favorite teacher.
What type of teachers do you like?
I like the teacher who was very kinder and very hospitality,
Very
very
hospitable, friendly?
yeah, very
Teachers should not be hospitable. Hospitable means teacher will give you cha, coffee, and all that. Okay, all right.
My
So,
teacher gave me a tea.
tea or all right. You are a very favorite student of your teacher.
Also.
Okay, let's go on. What was your favorite subject at school?
In my matric class, I like biology.
I liked biology.
I liked biology because of the teacher. He teach us.
He taught us.
He taught us very kind-hearted.
He taught us very well. He was
Very
very friendly. His
friendly
method of
and-
teaching was good. Just like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Would you like to become a teacher in the future?
Sorry, sir.
Would you like to become a teacher in the future?
Inshallah, if the God will, I will become a teacher. But now I have the aim to become a doctor.
Okay. Your answers are short. You need to add some more. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then it'll be fine. Thank you. Okay, let's go on. Do you like animals?
Well, sir, mostly I like animals like pigeons. I have a number of pigeons in my house, and I usually have some competitions of pigeon that whose pigeon can fly more.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, let's go on. Do you like any wild animal?
No, sir, I don't like any wild animal because I can't keep them in my
I
house,
can't
and
keep them.
I can't keep them in my house, and they are also very dangerous for my neighborhoods or children.
Okay, what type of animals are common in your hometown?
Well, mostly the most common animals in my hometown are pigeons, parrot, and mostly horses and dogs. People keep them in their house to protect themselves, and mostly horses are used to for their work, and people they are also source of their income.
Would you like to buy any animal in the future?
No, sir, I don't like to buy any animal in the future as I haven't any capacity in my house to keep animals anymore.
Okay, that's good. Overall, fine. Just try to add a couple of sentences. You'll be
Okay,
good.
sir.
Fine. Next one, please. Do you like to eat chocolate?
No, sir, I don't like to eat chocolates because I I I don't like sweets, and I like salty foods.
Okay.
Yes.
Why do children like to eat chocolates?
Because parents give chocolates to uh, children, and that's why children like chocolates too much.
Okay. Are chocolates expensive in your country?
And no, there is no too much costly.
No, they are not.
Too much costly.
Okay.
Uh, it is easy to buy because different size are available, and we can buy anyone.
Okay. All right, good. Try to practice and speak 5 to 6 sentences. At
Okay.
the moment, fluency and grammar.
Okay,
These
sir.
are two main issues, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Next one, please.